Welcome back. Did you know that some of the things that you use in your kitchen and you throw away thinking that they are waste can actually grow your hair, even from bald spots, and also wherever your hair is thinning? Did you know that some of the things that you throw away, you think that they are not helpful, they are not useful, can actually benefit your hair? Those things you trash in your trash cans can actually grow your hair this thick, healthy, and long. Did you know that you can retain length with some of the things that you use in your kitchen or some of the fruits that you eat and you throw away the seeds? Did you know that from those seeds can be the miracle that you've been looking for years? They can change your hair game for good. They can make your hair flourish. I came with a surprise on today's video for you to grow healthy hair, for you to grow your hair thick, for you to grow your hair long, for you to grow your hair on bald spots. You need to try the unthinkable. I'm not even kidding you. Who would believe that the herbal ingredients, the natural leaves, the herbs that you basically see around you can grow your hair? Who would believe that? I have been consistent with Ayurvedic ingredients. You guys have been seeing me on this channel. I don't play with Ayurveda. And I've been very consistent with it. And today we are basically at hip length. From nothing, we grew healthy, thick, and long hair from using natural ingredients. And if I can do it, what makes you think that you cannot achieve it? Yes, what makes you think that you cannot achieve healthy, thick hair? Without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's video. Today's video, I'm basically going to use avocado seeds to create magic. Yes, these are dried avocado seeds. You know the healthy fat, which is avocado. Yes, avocado is actually a healthy fat that most of you eat and toss the seeds away. Today, I want you to stop tossing the seeds away and start putting them to good use. So, after eating my avocado, enjoying the avocado, I kept my seeds and allowed it to dry a bit, peeled off the shell on the back. As you can see, what can you call this? I peeled off whatever that is covering the seeds, and then I had to chop them into tiny bits. Next up, after chopping them, the next thing is to pound or to grind them, whichever. I actually pounded mine because I don't know if my dry mill blender was able to grind this, so I had to use my mortar and pestle to grind it, or rather pound it into a paste. After chopping the seeds, here is the result. You just have to cut it before pounding, else it's not going to allow you pound it. You can pound this whole, so you just have to chop it like this before pounding. Next up, I'll grab my jar. Make sure it is clean and without water or moisture. Make sure that the jar is not having any water in it. Now grab your cup, 250 ml worth, and then measure out your sunflower oil. You can use either sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. These 5 oils mentioned are the oils you can try with these herbal products that we are making. So I transferred the 250 ml worth of sunflower oil in my jar. Next, I grinded my avocado seeds. This recipe is very simple, so please pay attention. Next, I grinded my avocado seeds as seen. Yes, that's the color. It changes color after grinding from white to orange, exactly what you're seeing. So I transferred that into the oil contained in the jar. So after transferring this, I'll go on ahead to stir this vigorously, making sure that everything is combined, properly combined. And then next up, I'll set up a DIY double boiler method whereby I put water in my pot, bring it to a boil, and then I'll transfer the jar into the pot, basically into the boiling water, and allow it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Next, I will strain using a bowl and my strainer. Make sure that whatever you're using does not have water in it. Make sure it is dry and clean. Next up, I will strain this to get my oil. Drain the oil very well, and then you can transfer this into your applicator bottle. When you transfer this into your applicator bottle or your oil bottle, whichever you like to call it, you can drop some few drops of essential oils. I recommend tea tree essential oil or peppermint essential oil. You can add lavender essential oil for scent. So after that, you can go on ahead to apply it on your problem areas wherever your hair is balding. You can use it as a sealant. You can use it for so many things. Avocado seed is the most powerful thing for hair growth. This is science backed by those who have tried it. This can help you grow hair where you have none. So start using avocado seeds in a good way to benefit your hair. It is very important that you try so many things because you don't know which would work for you. These are natural ingredients. And just as I would always say, everything that grows out of from the ground is a potential hair care product. Feel free to try every and anything you see around you that can help with hair growth and watch your hair thrive. I'm a living testament to Ayurveda. You guys can see how my hair is thriving using Ayurveda in my hair and also being consistent with them. You don't just have to use it today and you just forget about it and then thinking that a miracle is going to happen. You have to be consistent. You have to keep on using them. You have to keep up with Ayurveda, so you don't just use it today and the next time you're going to use it is next month and you complain that it's not working for you. You have to be consistent. Consistency is the key to growing healthy hair. You don't need to break a bank to grow your hair long, thick, and healthy. You just start by using whatever you find around you. If you find moringa around you, use it, transform it into hair growth product and use it in your hair. If you find lemongrass around you, neem around you, ginger, garlic, onions, transform it into a hair care product. I have shared a lot of recipes with you guys. Whichever you can find around you, try as many as you can see around you. Whichever works best for you, stick with that. That you see different Ayurveda or different recipes on this channel does not mean that you must use all of them. One person might use this and it might not work for her, and you try another one, it works for you. That is the goal. So not all products can work for you. You might try one brand today and it doesn't work for you. You switch to another brand. The same thing as skincare, the same thing with skincare, sorry. You might use skincare product and it's not working for you. You try another brand, it works for you. So that's how to do this. We have come to the end of today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family in your WhatsApp groups, on your Instagram, spread the good news. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section below should in case you don't understand anything or you have another question from another video that you think you can ask me. Go on ahead to drop it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on my next video shortly. Bye.